welcome to Broxy Backs. Like and subscribe. Got some new videos out here for you. Some local truck enthusiasts were nice enough to let me post some videos of their trucks on my channel. This is a Mack R model. Let's see what the year is. I can't even remember. 74. I thought it was a 73, but it's a 74 R model. Tastefully done. Good friend of mine owns it. Been a part of the Mack stuff pretty much his whole life, so I'm happy to see that he has ownership of one. Got some neat detail to it. I know he doesn't like chrome, but there's enough dolly on it to suit my needs. Got your typical 237 of the time period. Now this truck, once upon a time, was a 5-speed with the normal Mack single axle rear in the back. But there's a little bit of story to this. He apparently loved going to truck shows and driving around with this truck so much that he decided he wanted to put air ride under it. Changed the wheelbase a little bit. This actually is a chassis from the seam here, from the back of the cab back, is from a Mack CH. So it's very tastefully done. It's got the Mack air ride suspension. Could have easily put an airliner air ride, which is okay. I'm not saying it's not, but it's tastefully done. Like my MC that I'm working on in the garage that I put New Way under it, because my thought was if I wanted to order that from Mack, that would be the options that I would have. And this is the same way. But he wanted to keep the Dayton hubs, which again is very tastefully done. But it's amazing, the guy that doesn't like chrome sure has chrome on there. But why I think it's tastefully done is this CH frame here literally slid over the R model frame. He did not cut his frame. Let's say we're gonna forget where it is. Okay, so it was this short before, so he added an axle length to his wheelbase. So it was a short little bugger, but they slid the rails, overlapped them, and bolted everything together. And it's so tastefully done. I'm very, very impressed with how this was done. They were able to utilize the bolt holes off of the CH to line up with a bolt hole cross member on the frame. So everything lines up, everything drives around true, doesn't dog wag going down the road. I'm very impressed. I can't say enough about this. And you got some custom interior work done. But this guy, for not being a big rigger, sure wanted to drive in style and drive in comfort. You got the air ride, you got brand new air ride seats. Let's see if he took care of his wife. Even his wife has an air ride seat. Way to go. Oh, that's the other thing. 5-speed, he took that out and put a Road Ranger 9-speed in. So very, very, very classy job that he did. Got the map pocket in the back. Almost smells like a brand new truck. I don't even want to climb in it because I'm not clean enough to be in here. And he did put a Jake brake on it, which is kind of nice. It's just very fine detail that he spent. He bought the truck somewhat. It was restored once upon a time, but it sat a while. And he's just added some class to it. I can't compliment him enough, and I told him so. Oh. It's a different motor than it was born with. 83 motor. 675. So, the 237. But it boogies up and down the road enough for him to go to truck shows and stuff. It's just a very clean truck, very easy truck to maintain. Even the steps are nice, just very classy. Very impressed with this paint scheme and the fine detail that some people overlook. He even went and got the brand new, this thing is brand new, the outer edge trim for the hood. I mean, that is mirror. Maybe it's not new, maybe he polished it. But for you R model Mack fans, I hope this brings back some good memories. Like I said, very tastefully done job. Feel free to comment. Keep track of other videos coming. And as always, like and subscribe.